Let's learn skeleton swing. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance. It has restarts on walls 3 and 8 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 5. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts, the tag, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance the entire dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn skeleton swing. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side with slightly bent knees. You're going to shimmy your shoulders and drag your left toe into your right as you straighten. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side with slightly bent knees. You're going to shimmy your shoulders and drag your right toe in as you straighten. So let's try it with some counts. Stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on the walls that follow our restarts and tag, so walls 4, 6, and 9, the lyrics are going to tell us to do extra stuff. So as we step with the right, you're going to have both hands come up in fists, and you're going to have your hands come back and forth, left, right, as you step to the right and drag. So you're going to go arms up and rock them back and forth. Now, when we step to the left, you're going to have both arms come out to the side, and we're going to do exaggerated shimmies. Stepping to the left, you're going to really shimmy your shoulders and as you drag in. It fits the lyrics, so on those walls, you'll be able to hear it. Section 2, we're going to do a Charleston kick, so we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to kick your left foot low and forward, step back with your left and touch your right toe back. We're now going to do a 3/4 walk around over our left shoulder. You're going to start by making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face about 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your Charleston kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on the same walls that you do the arm motions, if you would like, you can make that Charleston kick a little bigger. So you can do a little bit of a bigger kick and a big back touch because it will help fit the lyrics. Section 3, we're going to do toe struts forward with hip bumps. So you're going to take your right toe, you're going to touch it forward, and as you touch forward, you're going to bump your hip right, left, and then as you bump right, you're going to take weight onto your right foot. You're now going to touch your left toe forward, and as we touch, we're going to bump our hip left, right, and as you bump left, you're going to put your weight onto your left foot. We're now going to step out into the right and left diagonal, stepping your right foot out into the diagonal, step your left foot out into the diagonal. We're now going to hop both feet back center and clap your hands. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your toe struts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to make sure that hop does travel slightly back. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do 2-step half pivots. So we're going to step forward with our right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, if somebody in your class or you do not like to do turns, you can replace those 2 half pivots with a rocking chair. So if you do not want to do the turn, you're just going to do 2 rocking chairs for section 4. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're stepping to the right and shimmying. So it's side shimmy, 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 drag, shimmy, 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 drag. Step, kick, back, touch, 3/4, walk, 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 toe strut bump, out, out, back together, hop, clap, rocking chair, step, half pivot, step, half pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. The restarts are going to happen on walls 3 and 8, and the music is going to sound exactly the same for both of those restarts. So you're going to dance 16 counts, which is up to your 3/4 walk around. Your wall rotation will remain the same, so you don't have to worry about counting walls or knowing where anything happens. You're just going to continue on with the dance and not worry about any wall switches. So let's dance 16 counts. Our first time we're restarting will be at wall 3, which will be our back wall. We're going to dance the 16 counts and facing 9 o'clock. Stepping to the right and shimmying, so it's side shimmy drag, side shimmy drag. Step, kick, back, touch, 3/4 walk, 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 walk. Right here you're going to restart the dance, and this is the first time that we're going to do our arms. So we would do our shimmy with our arms up and then our big exaggerated shimmy at that point. You'll dance wall 4 all the way through. When we do wall 5, you'll dance the full 32 counts, and then you have a 4-count tag. So you'll come all the way around, you'll be doing your rocking chair and your 2 half pivots, and then it has 4 extra counts, 3 of which sound like a doorbell, and then 1 count of silence. So all we're going to do is a V step. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot forward into the left diagonal, step your right foot back, center, and then step your left next to your right, and then you'll start the dance all over again. That will be the next wall that you have your arms up as you shimmy and your big exaggerated shimmy. So let's try it with some counts doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what the music will sound like is ding, 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 silence. And then you start the dance over again with your special arms. Now, that becomes wall 6. You dance wall 6 and wall 7 all the way through. When we come to wall 8, you'll be facing 9 o'clock. You're going to dance that same 16 counts, which will bring you to 12 o'clock. So you'll do your side shimmy drag, and your step, kick, back, touch, and your 3/4 walk around. Now, this is our final time that you will do the big arm motions and your shimmies. And then after that, you'll dance wall 9 all the way through, wall 10 all the way through. Wall 11 is our final dance wall. And what you're going to end up doing is changing your 3/4 walk around to a half walk around so we can end facing 12 o'clock. So you'll dance about the first 16 counts, changing that last few counts to end facing 12 o'clock. So we would step to the right, we would do our shimmy, step to the left and shimmy. You would do your Charleston kick, step, touch. Now you're going to do your quarter, and then you're going to do a step forward, and then I like to do a step to the side, but you're gonna walk over that left shoulder going right, left, and then step to the side. So now you're still doing that walk around, but you're going to reduce it by 1/4 so you can end facing 12 o'clock with your little side step to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance the entire dance since the final restart wall is so close to the end of the dance so that you know how it all flows. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step to the right and shimmy. So it's side shimmy drag, side shimmy drag. Now your step, kick, back, touch, 3/4 walk, toe strut bump, go out, hop back, clap, rocking chair, half pivots. Now your side shimmy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts. Side shimmy drag, step, kick, back, touch, 3/4 walk, restart with your arms. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side shimmy drag, side shimmy drag. Now your step, kick, back, touch, 3/4 walk, 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 toe strap bump, out, out, back and clap, rocking chair, half pivot. Now do your tag V step. It's out, out, and start over. This is your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side shimmy drag. Side shimmy drag. Now your Charleston kick. Step, kick, back, touch, 3/4 walk, 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 toe strap bump, out, out, back and clap, rocking chair, half pivots. Now your 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart with your arms. It's shimmy, 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 touch, shimmy, shimmy. Now your step, kick, back, touch, 3/4 walk, 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 toe strap bump, out, out, hop back and clap, rocking chair. Now your half pivots, side shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do our first 16 counts, changing that to a half walk around instead of a 3/4. Side shimmy drag. Side shimmy drag. Now your Charleston kick. Step, kick, step, touch. Now your half walk around, right, left, step to the right. And you could do a creepy pose. I just kind of put my hand out on my side. You could kind of do a skeleton pose. You could do a monster pose, whatever you would like to do to make it more fun. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rare demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn skeleton swing. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Creepies are back in town. They swing their moves left and right, rattle that big case side to side, step front, kick that step and back. Watch that joint go clickety clack. Yeah, it's a scary sight to see this Halloween jamboree. A spooky, groovy kind of thing. All night long to do the skeleton swing. The moves are so electric, make you jump right out your skin. They swing their moves left and right, rattle that big case side to side, step front, kick that step and back. Watch that joint go clickety clack. Yeah, it's a scary sight to see this Halloween jamboree. A spooky, groovy kind of thing. All night long to do the skeleton swing. Zombies shuffle, vampires fighting, werewolves howling.